Meanwhile, at the Capitol, an Arkansas representative is still working to give Second Amendment rights to nonviolent convicted felons.
Democrats in Arkansas are pushing a bill aimed at restoring gun rights to felons. This bill is House Bill 1013 and it is sponsored by Representative Flowers. I do see a bill like this passing since this is a bill that's being sponsored by Democrats. I do see them getting Democratic votes, as well as it being a bill about expanding Second Amendment rights. Republicans tend to vote towards bills that expand Second Amendment rights. If this bill passes in Arkansas, the citizens of Arkansas would be able to get their gun rights restored 10 years after being out of prison for non-violent felonies. I don't feel like this bill goes far enough. I think that a better bill would be one where any felon can petition the court to get their gun rights back and have a judge decide on individual merit whether that person has lived a law-abiding life and will continue to live a law-abiding life and should or should not get their gun rights restored. Many states do have this process, all states don't. I believe that this should be also a federal process where people who are convicted of federal crimes can also petition for their gun rights back. I do need to add that this bill will only affect those who have been convicted of state convictions. So federal convictions, you would not be eligible to get your gun rights restored on a state level. As we continue to show responsible gun ownership from the felon community, like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to guard your freedom, my friends.